If you're dreaming of a non-traditional wedding, then in this video I'm going to share with you 12 epic elopements. They are some of my favorite elopements captured in this year, 2019, in some of those romantic places like Lake Como, the Amalfi Coast, Positano, Rome, Kauai, and California. These spectacular elopements will show you that it is possible to make your dream elopement a reality. And if you're engaged and you haven't considered eloping, then these elopements will probably change your mind. For my best photography and elopement advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a video each week. I've photographed and helped design hundreds of couple intimate weddings around the globe in iconic places like Rome, California, Venice, Greece, Hawaii, Mexico, and France. I've written 2 books, one on Italy and my latest one, The Elopement Experience. And here is my year in review. After photographing elopements across the globe for 15 years, I've accumulated a treasure trove of ideas for planning a perfect destination elopement. I know what works and what to avoid, and it was time to share my experiences. So I began the year by launching my second book, The Elopement Experience, a guide to planning intimate, magical weddings. I've loved specializing in elopements, and I'm happy that they have become a trend. The growing popularity of elopements is no surprise in our fast-paced culture because they offer intimacy as well as adventure, travel, exotic culture, tranquility, and unparalleled beauty. Couples today are looking for alternatives to the traditional high-stressed wedding. What can be more romantic than telling your beloved, "I do," in a private setting against a breathtaking backdrop? Early spring, I headed to some of my favorite European destinations to photograph and help design a handful of extraordinary elopements. So here are 12 of the most romantic elopements in 2019. When the high season approached and it got hot and the tourists started flooding in, I headed back to my beloved California. And during the summer, I created and launched my first online course, Designing Your Dream Elopement. It is for couples who want to DIY their wedding. Please leave a comment below and share any of your elopement ideas, or if you have any questions, just comment below. And meanwhile, throughout the summer, I was busy photographing in Southern California, Kauai, 2 of my favorite summer places because it's never too hot and never too crowded. And in the fall, I headed back to Italy for more spectacular elopements. Before the cold kicked in, I flew back to Southern California to photograph details of an intimate wedding at the legendary Houdini Estate in Los Angeles. Then I returned to paradise, the island of Kauai, to photograph Rebecca and Jim's elopement. I'm very excited about 2020 and I'm working on some very exciting projects. In the fall, I'll be launching my first elopement photography workshop, which will be between Tuscany and Umbria on the beautiful lake. But before that, I'll be off to Mexico, Lake Como, Ravello, Positano to capture some more exciting elopements. I've shared my year in review featuring some of my favorite elopements 2019, which hopefully gives you some ideas for your elopement. Each one is unique and what I like to call a perfect elopement experience. Check out these two videos for more inspiration, one on eloping Kauai and the other one eloping in Southern California. And if you like this video, hit the like button and be sure to subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching and I'd like to wish you the very best for the coming year. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.